Said you needed space, said you needed more time to think, so you went away, but you still would stay in.
I'm just gonna do my hair real quick. Look at how much my hair is growing, you guys. This is like a few days old, and I used my steam pot. My roots did kind of curl up though, and like it's been a little like humid outside. But if I go to get my bonnet, it looks great again in the morning. I have about an hour before I need to pick up, or 45 minutes before I need to pick up my rental car. I don't have my own car, and this actually my first time like going by myself to IKEA. Like I have driven by myself, but not that much, so I'm a little bit nervous. I am gonna be recreating this IKEA hack for my desk. I need a little L-shaped bracket. Before I go pick up the car, I'm gonna go buy that at the store and get myself breakfast, just get myself a couple of things before heading in the car. I always need to drink a Red Bull when I'm driving so that I can stay focused. And today's actually my birthday, but I didn't feel like celebrating, so I'm actually not doing it much today. I turned 26 today. Last night, I had a lovely evening with my boyfriend, which I have not talked to you guys about yet, unless you follow me on Instagram. I have a boyfriend. Let's see. I found it, guys. It's right here. I'm gonna get 6 just in case. This is the one I saw online. I think this is the first time I've vlogged while driving. I don't even know if this is a nice angle, but I don't think I can stick it anywhere else. Oh my god, I need to open this window. It's fucking insane. Oh, Lord. Guys, I just got to IKEA. I'm gonna go inside and pick up my order now and then come right back. It shouldn't take too long. I was really anxious driving, honestly. Like I was shaking a lot, but it went really well. Like there was nothing for me to worry about. I just got really nervous. Let's go. This is the location for pickup. Let's see how it goes. Got it, y'all. It's actually so much harder to push than I thought. Let me get this to my car. And then we're gonna find out if it fits. I think it should. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh, shit. Wait. Oh no. Naprawdę thank you, Bill. Shit. It's like about to fall off this car. Let me get to my car super fast. Oh my god. It's also the hottest day of the week. Oh my god. Shit's about to fall. Whew. Let's see. We can get this in the car, you guys. Please. Oh, I'm sweating. Ooh, I feel like this is gonna fall. Oh no, it's not sturdy at all, you guys. I wanna do this different actually. Wait. Oh fuck, this one's so heavy. Oh shit. Okay. And then place this on top. Whew. And this one can go like this. Okay. Okay guys. Let's go home. That's gonna be another task getting this inside my apartment, but I'm not gonna be filming that. Oh my god, it's so hot. I need to turn on the AC. ASAP.
Lost in thought for the morning. Tell me why it has to fuck my night up. Even on my nights off, I can't even rest up for the morning. Tell me why it has to follow me around, ooh. Never letting me be even if I want to. Thank you so much to Fashion Nova for sponsoring today's video. I picked up some really good pieces that I feel like perfectly fit into where my style is right now. I really love the basic tops that I picked out because they're double lined. They just fit so nice. It layers beautifully. They feel soft on the skin. They're not see-through and just so flattering. I've been trying to be a lot more intentional with the things I bring into my wardrobe. So instead of just grabbing anything that's trendy, I'm focusing on basics and silhouettes that I feel comfortable in and pieces I know that I'll actually wear. I really love all the pieces I chose, especially because they're versatile enough to wear now while it's still warm, but also as we move into fall. When it comes to the pants I picked out, I wanted pants that would just be very comfortable for me. So the flared pants, but also these windbreakers, which are so cool. I love the burgundy color, perfect for fall, and they add such a nice pop of color to your like neutral outfits. I had to pick up this cable knit zip up sweater in this baby pink color. It has little hood, it's soft, it's comfy, it's just giving that exact vibe I need for the transitional weather. Finally, I had to go for something a little sexier. This lace halter maxi dress has a beautiful like lace cutout detail, hugs you in all the right places, and will be perfect for a dinner date or even a special evening out. If you want to shop any of the pieces I showed today, make sure to use the link in the description. It'll take you straight to everything, and you can find all the product names on screen as well. Now let's get back into the video. All right, I'm not sure how I managed to do this. I ended up drilling holes in here and adding the brackets, and for now I used some like really sturdy double-sided tape to keep it attached because I didn't want to drill in the plate because I was scared I was going to break the glass. I might still do that later or use some other type of glue to make it more sturdy. I'm just going to see how this goes. So this doesn't line up completely, but it doesn't bother me too much. The color difference is only slight, but now I need to put the pull-out drawer underneath, so let's go ahead and do that. I just used the hardware that came with the thing. It's not pretty, but like honestly I don't think it's gonna bother me. This is sturdy for now. These drawers all work. A little tight, but they work. It actually fits perfect. I'm not sure actually my boyfriend's gonna fit underneath this now that I'm checking the height. Because this is the lowest my chair will go. I actually don't think he would fit underneath here, but I do. So that's the most important. It's just a little felt sheet that I can put on the drawer. And my idea was to kind of just put my laptop there. I do want to get a new monitor. My plan is to get a monitor that I can attach to my MacBook because I've realized I don't need multiple systems. Like I just need an extra screen. This can go here very nicely. Oh, that feels sturdy, honestly. It feels way more sturdy than I expected. But I can put my laptop on here. I'm gonna style the desk just a little bit so we can get an idea, show you the finished result, and then I'm gonna end off the video. I'm so sweaty, it's like 8 p.m. I wanna go eat something. I need to chill. Like Even if I want to, even if I try to, I really do. Always finding something wrong with me, and I lose every time I get stuck in this house. Tell me why it has to fuck my night up, even on my nights off. I can't even rest up for the morning. Tell me why it has to fuck my night up, even on my nights off. I can't even rest.
I'm so happy with the finished results. I'm filming this on my phone
So I hope the quality is good. I think it is, but yeah, I'm so happy. This is kind of how I styled the desk. This is probably gonna change over time. I still need to organize the drawers, get a monitor and everything. But for now, this is my desk and I'm so happy with it. Let me know what you think of it and if you would want me to do another video like this. Thank you for watching and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Also, this is for my cold sore. Please ignore my cold sore, guys. It does not look cute. Hopefully next time I don't have this anymore. Bye, I love you.
Block out the memory. Yeah, started from scratch. You wanna pick up where we left off, but you've been gone away. You've been gone away so long. You've been gone since you've been gone away. You've been gone away so long. I forgot your name.